Good morning, this is Leigh from Enovee. We're just going to go through the process of showing how we put together a steel sectional panel. So you'll see here we've got the Henrob prop riveter, so we'll assemble the stiles to the side of the panel. And as you can see, it's a seamless process and gives it plenty of reinforcing.
So Leigh, the strength of the door, how do you strengthen the door? Is it by the...
All the stiles are engineered for the correct amount of stiles that go into it. It's a galvanised plate.
So if you want to create a door with perhaps a stronger wind loading...
We'll put on the ends of the panels, we'll put double stiles sometimes to reinforce the door on the outside perimeter of the doors to give it that extra strength so it doesn't get as much deflection. And as you can see now, you've got one panel finished.
And that's a typical, is this a single door?
This is a typical single door, yep.
And this particular door is a surf mist finish?
This is the surf mist finish with a wood grain texture in it.
Once the stiles have been fitted to the sectional door panels, the panels are then wrapped and they are then stacked, ready for assembly. They will go out and then the hinges will be fitted by the installers when the door is taken to site.